Let Garmin get you started with the Xero C1 Pro Chronograph. It's important to properly set up the Xero C1 Pro Chronograph for use. The Xero C1 Pro Chronograph uses radar and needs to have a clear view of the projectile flight. The Xero C1 Pro comes with a screw mount, a USB-C data cable, and a tripod. A larger tripod is available to purchase on Garmin.com. The screw mount accommodates any 1/4 inch, 20 thread size tripod attachment. The power button is labeled by a return arrow icon with PWR below the button. This is used for powering the device on and off, as well as to navigate out of menu screens. The up and down buttons are located to the right of the left-facing arrow power button. These buttons are used to navigate the Xero C1 menu options. Next, the OK button is located to the left of the power button. This button is used to confirm selections within the menus. The USB-C charging port is located on the right side of the device under the weather cap. A full charge should give you up to 6 hours of continuous use. The mounting port and device information is located on the bottom of the device. Now, it's time to configure the settings on your Xero C1 Chronograph. First, power on the device. Then, use the up and down buttons to navigate to settings. The Xero C1 units of measurement can be changed from feet per second, meters per second, miles per hour, and kilometers per hour. The display can be changed to black or white. The backlight can be adjusted from 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Backlight timeout can be adjusted from 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. You can also customize the data fields on your Xero C1 Chronograph. You can toggle Pro settings on or off. These include projectile weight entry, show alignment diagrams, and downrange mode. The ShotView app allows you to easily view, edit, and save your sessions. You will need to download this app from your compatible smartphone's App Store. For this process, we will be using a compatible Apple iPhone or iPad, but the process is similar with compatible Android smartphones or tablets. From the Settings menu, scroll and select Connectivity. Followed by Pair Phone. Scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone or tablet. For existing customers, this will automatically open the ShotView app. For new customers, your compatible smartphone or tablet will open the App Store. Install the app. Open the ShotView app once the installation is complete. You will need to sign in or create an account. For this video, we will be creating a new account. Check that you agree to the End User License Agreement and then tap on Next. Enter your user details for the account creation and then select Next. You are now given the option to select Enable Cloud Storage based on your preference for saving your data. Now from the home screen in the ShotView app, it's time to pair your Xero C1 Chronograph by selecting either the plus in the upper right corner or by selecting the Devices tab near the lower right corner. Select Add Device. Select Connect It. Ensure the pairing codes match and select Pair in the ShotView app. Select Done. Your Xero C1 Pro Chronograph and ShotView app are now connected. The Xero C1 Pro Chronograph does not require mounting to your firearm or bow. The chronograph sits on a tripod with the radar, the side with the Garmin logo, facing in the direction of fire. Now, insert the tripod mount into the bottom of the Xero C1 chronograph. Rotate the chronograph clockwise until the tripod is fully tightened. Ensure you do not over-tighten. You are now ready to begin a new session. Select New Session. The Xero C1 Pro Chronograph accommodates projectile speeds of 100 FPS or feet per second, up to 5,000 FPS. Rifles, pistols, and other projectiles are accommodated up to 5,000 FPS. The Xero C1 Pro Chronograph is not compatible with shot shells, but it is compatible with shot slugs. Bows and crossbows accommodate up to 600 FPS. You can enter your projectile weight to get accurate kinetic energy values. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the weight. Select OK to confirm each number. Air rifles are accommodated up to 2,000 FPS. You can enter your projectile weight to get accurate kinetic energy values. Position the chronograph as shown on screen for the selected mode. Ensure the radar is facing the direction of fire and is positioned to the side of a rifle or bow. Always ensure you position the chronograph so it is not directly exposed to ejecting cartridge cases, muzzle blast, or other hazards that may damage the chronograph. Also ensure it is within 5 to 15 inches of the muzzle or bow where the arrow is released. Anything that covers or partially obscures the radar face of the chronograph can degrade or prevent the chronograph from recording shots accurately. Select OK to begin your session. Select the power button to end a session. Lastly, we will check for software updates for your Xero C1 chronograph. Software updates can provide fixes to issues that arise or provide new features if available. The ShotView app will automatically send any applicable software updates to your Xero C1 the next time you power the device on and are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Do not turn off your chronograph while the update is being installed. Xero C1 chronograph will resume normal operation once the software update has been installed. You can also install software updates through Garmin Express. See our other software update video for more help. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.